Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
And here they are in South Laughter Creek, Austin, Texas.
That wasn't me. Oh, was it? No, it wasn't.
They have perfected the art of coming out of the creek in one piece. Quite the little athletes.
One more jump, okay?
One more jump, okay?
Here, let's see who has the bigger splash. Dean, you go first. Relatively big.
I'd give that a 6. About a 5.5.
My turn. Move, Campbell. I don't want to splash. Okay, my turn.
Here comes long-legged Lily. It had a lot of force, but I have to give it a 5.5 for lack of spread. Sorry. All right, here goes. Goodbye. Say bye, Mom, Dad, Ella.